What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the trade recap of what is it, the 30th? Yeah, 30th of March. Today we're going to be going straight from the Discord like always. But yeah, boom, this is what the picture I had this morning. And yeah, today looks pretty obvious on what the drawn liquidity is. I'm looking at the first high as my condition to go to the next one. If we displace past it and go through the gap, I'll target the next one. Just a little sussed out about the wick because that 1 minute candle. This was like the whole 1 minute candle on the hourly, so that's for reference. Um, Other than that, today looks pretty clear. Bang, 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 right? So my whole condition was set on the fact that if we displace past, it would be this high right here, or this was going to be like the break even point, I guess, of where it's pretty much confirmed. If we displace past here, I'll target up here. If not, we know what happens, right? So I'll mark it open, right? We came down, we set out these lows, and then we had a good reaction up. At this point, you can just make an obvious assumption that if we don't continue here, we're not going to go higher, right? At this point, the volume is super, super strong. So if we don't continue, there's no point of any logical senses here, right? So, boom, at that point, we didn't continue higher. We got some good delivery lower, right? I saw people take this trade. Anything along these lines is super, super good. Um, Noticing that volume is picking up and you can get a good stop loss or invalidation zone, whatever you want to call it, targeting this low, or uh, you could target in here somewhere, right? Like whatever you guys took around here is super, super valid. Again, I also really, really like this, right? Super tight stop loss. But look, if we hold this condition, we should keep going lower. The only thing about this one is that I think we took a gap around this point right here, but we did end up holding this 1 minute gap. Let me see if I can draw this. All right, so if you guys took this, that is also very, very good. Let me see if I can pull up my P&L here. I was in a trade. I did take two trades today. I took that first one. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can scroll up in here and see it. I don't even know if it is in here. I took a couple of trades. I took like two trades today. Um, Here was my P&L for the day. And I was in this one, right? This one ended up getting me break even somehow. And then I was also in this one. I got break even two times. Both trailed my break even in profit, my stop loss in profit for today. But yeah, that is what I saw for today. And then as you notice, again, we took this draw on liquidity. What do we do for another hour? We just sit here and bounce around and do nothing until later. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. I am here to help. And yeah, I hope you guys had a great, great trading day. Peace out.